In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload files to Google Drive. Now, I assume that you already know how to find your way to the Google Drive platform. If you don't, this is the link, drive.google.com. Once you enter it on your browser, it will redirect you to this page, or you could go through this route. You come to this place on your Chrome and click on this grid menu here, click on Drive, and it will still take you to the platform. Now, once you're on the platform, you come over to My Drive here, as you can see, and then click on any empty space. And here we have a list of menu, new folder, file upload, and folder upload. So we want to click on file upload. Now, for the purpose of this video, I have some files already that I would like to upload, some screenshots, and I'll take this one. Just click on it once, or double click rather, and as you can see here, it's been uploaded. One upload complete. So you can just click on it to view what you've uploaded. Here you can download it if you want, or print it, or do whatever you want to do. But you can be rest assured that your file has been uploaded successfully to Google Drive. If you found this video valuable, consider subscribing, like, and share so that other people who need the video can also find it.